Hello everyone, welcome back to Pencarian YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in this video, I would like to share you a tutorial on how to change ringtone of WhatsApp to shoutout name on Poco C65. Alright guys, so if you feel bored with your cell phone ringtone of WhatsApp, then here you can change your WhatsApp ringtone with a unique sound as if calling your name or shout-outing your name, guys. And how to do that is quite easy. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, you have to install the apps that call text-to-speech on Google Play Store, guys. And so yeah, this is the apps. And if you don't have, you can install it first. And if you have this apps, now you can open the apps like this, guys. And so yeah, after that, now you can enter the text here, and I will enter about calling my name like this, hi honey. And then now you can adjust about the pitch, speed, and volume of the sound. And so yeah guys, if you're finished with adjusting, now you can export the sound, guys. You can click export, and then you can save the text to speech as audio file. And then when it's finished, now let's go to WhatsApp menu, guys. So over here now, I want to open the WhatsApp like this. And then after that, you can click three dots on the right top and go to settings menu. And after that, now you can go to notification. And after that, you can scroll down till the bottom and go to the ringtone, guys. And right here, now you can choose file manager. And so yeah, this sound you can click, and you can click OK. And the ringtone of your WhatsApp will calling your name, guys. Alright, so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to change WhatsApp ringtone to shout out name on Poco C65. And then thank you so much for watching.